Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add missing place in Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Open up your Google Map and tap on this red location icon and then scroll up this pop-up and here you will see add a missing place. So simply you have to hit on this option and then you have to fill up this necessary details and add a photo if you have any, and then you have to hit on submit. So this is it guys, how to add a missing place in Google Map. How to add missing place in Google Maps. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.